too tired to clean your brushes?
Has it been 10 months since you last cleaned your brushes?
Oh my God!
Don't have the money to buy the cleaning machines?
Don't worry, if you call now at 1-Drug Queens, we will give you a discount. Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are the Drug Queens!
So, who's ready to clean their brushes?
I am, you are, and we are.
This is super easy lang, guys. Then, if you are ready, then please keep on watching.
Today's video, 3 affordable and easy ways on how to clean your brushes. First way.
Okay, we have this brush cleaner from FS.
And syempre, kung meron tayong brush cleaner, yung second way ng ating pag-clean ng brushes is also itong micellar cleansing water.
Pwede. So, what we'll do is that we will see if which one or both of them gagana ba talaga. Okay, what do we need?
Syempre, kailangan mo ng clean and very clean tissue. Same lang yung method ng pag-clean. Actually, ilagay mo lang yung dirty brush mo, lagyan mo ng solution, and then i-brush mo lang here.
Alright,
So,
okay.
try na natin siya.
Ito naman yung very clean. Aray. Yung dating pink, magiging white. So, para sa mga tamad to, no? Kasi nagmamadali. Oo nga.
Akin isang drop lang ng cleanis ko na siya. And ang maganda kasi sa micellar water is alam mong safe na safe siya for your face kasi you're using this for your face, diba? And you use your brush for your face. So, pakita lang namin yung brush. Clean na siya, yes. And yung tissue namin. Sa akin, basa siya. As in, yung feeling niya wet tissue.
Sa akin hindi, kasi spray to eh. So, yung spray mo siya sa brush mo mismo. Pero yan, di ba, kitang-kita mo agad yung mga natanggal na niyang ilang months mo nang hindi nalinis. Ito na yun. We are going to try it again with small brushes naman.
Yan. Ay, grabe yung naman nag-makeup dito. OA. OA naman yung nag-makeup dito. Chi, gamit na gamit, ma'am. Sinang mas na po natin.
Start mo na with a brush. So, babasain mo lang siya. So, ang gagawin mo lang is so easy. Pwede kang mag-running water, pwedeng hindi. So, gaganunin mo lang siya. So, swirl, swirl, swirl mo lang. And makikita mo agad dito lahat ng products na ginamit mo. Alright, ito na ating finished product for the brushes. Okay, now for the blender, beauty blender, it's the same. So all you have to do is squeeze it in, okay? And then you have here your soap. Again, swirling mo lang.
Okay.
And then, here you go. One big beauty blender. See that? Clean, diba? And kahit anong squish ko dyan, talagang wala nang makeup product na natira. Easy. O, diba? Ang dadali lang naman ng lahat ng yun. But then again, we have to also, feeling ko on our part, numerate natin ng konti. Kung ano ba yung talagang pinaka para sa mga tamad, sa mga may konting time, at sa mga maraming time.
Para sa'yo, ano yung pinakamabilis na way on how to clean your brush?
For me, yung brush cleaner. If you would feel the difference of yung ginamit yung micellar water sa ginamit yung brush cleaner, mas tuyo. Tingnan mo. Mas tuyo agad si brush cleaner.
Almost none yung downtime ng brush cleanser. As in, once you clean it, you can use it agad.
Agad.
yung micellar cleansing water and yung pag-wash ng soap is kailangan mo pang patuyuin.
Sa ano naman, yung pangalawa siguro is yung micellar water kasi hindi siya ganun kabasa. Not unlike yung dun sa running water natin. Talagang soak na soak in water yung brush mo talaga. So, mas kailangan ng days para mapatuyo talaga siya.
Pero yun yung feeling kong sobrang
Yes.
malilinis mo talaga yung brush mo.
Yes, yun
Ayan.
talaga. Yun yung para sa mga maraming time.
Pero, ano yung pinaka-affordable na option out of the three is obviously,
The soap.
clarify lang namin yung soap ha. Dapat ano siya, face and body soap. Hindi siya yung detergent or dishwashing. Okay, guys, gagamitin nyo yan sa face nyo. So, yung mga inilalagay nyo sa face mo na products, yun lang yung pwede, okay? Yung dishwashing, wag na. Yung hand soap, girl, wag please. Wag please, okay? Ang next naman na affordable for me ha, is yung micellar cleansing water. Kasi,
Yes.
hindi mo lang naman siya
Yun
solely gagamitin for your brushes. You also use it to remove your make. Price point wise, mas mura talaga si micellar kaysa kay brush cleanser. Yeah. So that concludes this video. That is all for today at sana may natutunan ka sa video na ito.
Yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to our social media accounts. And also make sure na panoorin nyo yung aming mga previous videos right here. See you guys next week. Bye-bye!